Hi, my name is Ruben Andrade, Director of Security for Pasadena Towers. One of the most important things people don't know about earthquakes is that we have them all the time. They're just so small that we can't even feel them. So we gotta be prepared at all times. California sits on top of the San Andreas Fault, a geological fault that runs across 800 miles and 20 miles vertically into the earth, a distance from San Francisco near to San Diego, and has been the source of serious earthquakes in the past years. One of the largest quakes recorded was March 28, 1964, a 9.2 magnitude quake that destroyed Alaska and North America. One of the most important things for you to do is to get an emergency kit together. Starting with water. We recommend store-bought water. Make sure you check the expiration date and cycle it through. It is recommended that you have at least 1 gallon per day per person for a minimum of 72 hours. Choose foods that your family will eat and is packed in water. Pick foods that are low on salt, like tuna, and avoid dry meats. Don't forget eating utensils and personal hygiene, such as toothpaste, toothbrush, wipes, shampoo, toilet paper, and other stuff your family might need. Remember, pack enough for all your family members, including your pets. Second of all, it's important to have a first aid kit, band-aids, aspirin, and all the necessities. Don't forget that cell phones might not work, so keep a spare change for payphones and spare cash because ATMs might not be working. A battery-powered radio and blankets and a warm clothes is very important. We suggest that you keep a large container with wheels. For more information, check the following websites. Remember, safety comes with knowledge. Be prepared.
I'm prepared.
I'm prepared.
We're prepared. We're prepared.
I'm prepared.
I'm prepared. I'm prepared.